Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial I would like to show you the way how to create a cinematic video on a CapCut with AI help. So here I already have the project that I want to work with as well as the audio here. So I would like to add the in animation for the first clip so that it can give like cinematics touch on it. So you just need to go click the clip, and after that go into the animation and make sure that you are in section, and let's just choose a fade in. And now let's adjusting the duration. I will let you make it longer, so let's just drag into the right side for 2 seconds. There we go. And after we're done, you just need to go click this checklist button, and then I would like to do the same for the end of the clip. So here I already have for clip here. And for the last clip, I will like to do the same. So just go click the clip, go click an animation. Since this is the last clip, so let's jump into the out part and go click and fade out, and adjusting the durations to make it become like 2 seconds. And whenever we're done, you just need to go click this checklist button. And how do we use the AI features for this cinematic editing? We just need to go click into the audio part. And after that, you just need to go slide into the left side this feature until we found beats. Just need to go click it, and you can just do click auto generate, and the AI will help you give a beat on your video. And after that, you just need to go click done. And from these bits, you can adjusting where did you have to do cutting videos for each clip. For example, you can see here, let me zoom it for you. So the bits will be signed with the yellow color. So let's just stop in this yellow part, and after that you just need to go click the clip and make sure that you cut into exactly in a yellow dots, and you just need to delete the rest. So there will be a transitions between these two clips on the yellow part here. So you just need to take a look for the result. Does the clip follow the beat? Okay, and here we need to make transitions on the beats. So for the second clip, you just need to go click it and drag the clip until it's fulfilling the yellow part. It should be here, so just drag it a little bit longer right there, and then let's go have a task for this. Okay, you can see that here is the beat, so you can also drag this part into the yellow part in here. There you go, and just find out, is it already correct? Okay, you can also find the next bit, which is stop here. So you just need to go click the clip and adjusting the length and have a test. So that's the way how to use AI for creating a cinematic video. Hopefully this tutorial is helping you so well. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.